Hello everyone, I hope so you are okay. So that last week you guys drew about flowers. Now this time in this class you are going to paint your project. If you didn't do it, this is the time to complete it. And if you already color with color pencils, please watch this video so you can review the concepts about color wheel and also how you use the paint. And I will love if you do a second work painting. So the first part that I'm going to mention is we talk about geometric shapes, right? And geometric shapes are very helpful, and we can draw flowers using geometric shapes. So you see like a circle and semicircles. You can create any organic shape, any shape, and create your own flowers. It's up to you. You can repeat and use the lines and any element or art to draw flowers. Now, I also mentioned that there is another kind of shape that is called organic. Unorganic is just when you draw kind of lines or repeat from the nature. So this is an organic shape, right? This is an organic shape because it's from the nature. Now, you did a drawing, and now we are going to review a little of the concepts of color wheel. So we have primary colors. Which are the primary colors? We have yellow, we have red, and we have, which is the one? I hope so you are saying blue, Mrs. Chavarria, blue. Okay, so what happened when we mix the yellow with the red? Which is the color that we create? This is the secondary color. So when we mix red and yellow, we are creating a secondary color that is the orange. So here we go. Now, if we are mixing the blue with the red, we are creating another secondary color. Is the purple. And if we are mixing the blue with the yellow, this is the secondary color, that is the green. So I'm going to repeat primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. We can mix two of them and we are creating the secondary color. And when you mix to each other, so it's wonderful because we can create more than 1,000 colors. And seriously, many different kinds of colors, darkest and lighter one. Okay, so let's start with painting the vase with the flowers. And I will suggest that make sure you have water, you have a paper towel, because I have been painting to show you those projects later, the ones that are on the floor. So that's why my palette is a little dirty, and the brushes. So when I'm cleaning my brushes, it's so important to have clean water, organize your space where you are going to paint, and make sure that the colors, primary colors, are the most important colors that we are using. Okay, so I can use the water to make my color a little liquid. Remember that the acrylic is more thick, so I can work and use a lot of water, but also be careful because then it's going to mess up a little. So imagine that I am using first the primary colors to use on spaces, so I don't need to wash brushes. It will be a good just one color, but I have my brush dirty, but I'm going to use orange, so I don't need to wash it because I can make an orange directly in my brush. Okay, and that's it. It's just enjoy combining colors, mixing, wait that is dry, and then you can come back and retouch. And we are using a lot of elements of art, lines, shapes. We are going to make textures. We are using the color. I put here a little line, so that is the line that is going to divide the space, the background, and this table is going to be like a support, a table. And I did a little semicircle here that is going to be a little darker to make the sensation that this is the, I know you are saying, what is this? The shadow of the container. So the container is going to be a little lighter, so that way you are going to see the contrast. Okay, we are applying value. Value is another element of art that we can create these lighter colors and darker colors. So yeah, you can put the camera in the way that you like, and I'm going to just continue painting this.
Okay.
Want to stay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you don't have acrylic paint, maybe your house is watercolor. But in case if you don't have paint, I just want that you practice the color wheel. So when you are coloring your project with crayons or color pencils, so just make sure that you know which are the primary colors, which are the secondary colors, how you can mix to create new colors. And look, I had white, because with the white color we can make a very beautiful pastel colors, and it's going to give some harmony to your work. Okay, so please work, test me, and send me a private message if you have questions, or show me your process so I can help you. This is for the kindergarten, and this is what is